Hi my dear friends, this is Dimitri with Green Air Care Company. We perform dryer vent cleaning services for the people of Staten Island in New Jersey, and we would like to help you understand what exactly we are doing when we arrive into the dealer's place. We're using a few things. This called a lint either. You can get it on your own from Amazon or any hardware store usually have them. And it's a flexible brush with the rods, which take in the shape of the vent, and with a brush at the end and a power drill at another end, helping us to remove all the lint from the dryers and unblock or remove any potential fire hazards for you. Usually we do an inspection from the inside and outside, and in this case we are on the roof of one of the Staten Island buildings, and we found that this outside exhaust was completely blocked, so you can see it's rotting already, and basically the shape is very bad of the vent itself, and seems like it has been never cleaned from the outside, and people have a baby and they're not able to dry the clothes because it was completely blocked. So we just unblocked it, little like around 6 feet of a dryer vent, and we would like to know what the total length of it. So we assuming it's around like 12 to 18 feet, so it's approximately 4 to 5 flexible rods like this. So I'll keep going what I'm doing, and we will see what is going on there inside. Usually dryers collecting so much of lint, it can blacken completely the exhaust, and then it takes forever for you to dry the clothes. Apart from the fact you're drying so long and consuming so much of energy from the dryer, you also, each time, every circle of a dryer, you creating very big potential of fire hazard, because the lint became a flammable material inside of a dryer, and any time you can catch the fire. The dryer vent itself cannot exceed the length of 25 feet from the back of the dryer to the outside exhaust. Thank you for your attention. We'll see you in next videos.